the Constitution has to be revisited 40 years. The Constitution allows for political dynasty. I'll give you an example. My father was my classmate in the 18th Congress. He was a party list. LPGMA party list nominee in the 18th Congress. Why? Because this Constitution allows for it. So if it is constitutionally infirm and the Supreme Court and nothing wrong with it, ayan, mag-ama. Okay? Ayan, itong Constitution, wala, bato-bato sa langit, sana wala naman magalit. Senate only has 24 senators, and yet look, every 3 years we have elections. People are spending. Sa amin sa Isabela, wala kaming gastos, wala kaming kalaban from governor up to the mayors namin, halos So wala kaming gastos. Yung mga gumagastos ng 100 milyon or 1 billion or magkano yung sa Senate for 6 years. Tingin mo, saan nila babawiin yan? Yan ang ugat ng corruption. Because the political dynasties, now with the information technology, pag masama yung hindi marunong yung kapatid, o hindi magaling, o may psychological incapacity, o may mga animalya, the people will vote them out. That's what happens in all democratic systems. So, how can you now define which one and who will now tell us which person will run among the family?